What's happening, handy pandas? Peter von Panda here. Hey, just bought myself this tool set, got it on Amazon. It's a drive socket set, 1/4 and 3/8 inches. True unboxing here. So just seemed to be one of these, I don't know, what's that say, EPAuto? One that seemed to include a lot of stuff and wasn't all that expensive. So this one was, I think, just a smidge over 40 bucks. And so I thought you'd get a lot of pieces. For a lot of us kind of weekend garage guys, we don't need a lot of stuff. We just need, but we still need the same variety that a lot of people do. Now, up at the top here, the top has a foam retaining piece in there. And then down here is where we have all the business. And as you can see, it's all kind of that chrome plated type of finish on everything. So we do have, I think this is the 1/4 inch drive, as you can see, pretty small. We have an extension here, and it's ratcheted, and another extension here for the 3/8 inch drive. So you can see that, and this one is quite a bit longer, both under a foot by quite a bit. And then we have standard 3/16 up to 13/16 it looks like. And on this side we have metric 10 millimeters up to 19. And then at the top here we have some deep sockets from 3/4 of an inch down to 3/8, and then deep sockets on the metric side 10 to 19 millimeters. And then we have some of the thinner ones, the smaller ones right there, 1/2 to 1/4 in the deep socket, and 7 millimeter to 13 millimeter, and then some standard depth ones like these, again 13 millimeter down to 6, and 1/2 down to 3/16. And then we also have the 5/8 and a 13/16 deep socket down there too. So I think a nice little set overall. Like I said, a lot of stuff. So it could be the only tool set you have for sockets. This will probably get you through a lot of stuff. If you need to step up to something heavy duty like a 1/2 inch, I'm sure you can find some really good stuff like that too. But this set was on Amazon, came quickly. I will put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out.